It's Alan Dixon here from PigOut Roasters again. Just today we're going to show you how we are preparing and roasting a porchetta. This is an Italian style of cooking the belly. This time we're stuffing it instead of pork. Well, we're using pork, but we're going to use pork tenderloin. So I'll demonstrate how that gets put together. And I'll be showing you how we season it and also how we prepare it and we put it into our PigOut roaster. Okay, we have our pork belly. This is about 14 pounds. We have 2 pork tenderloins. They're about 2 pounds in weight. We start by trimming. I've already trimmed most of it, but it's just to take the silver skin off. Just makes it easier to eat. Like that. Okay, now we have some of our own spices here. This is my own quick recipe, which is some fennel seeds, some thyme, some rosemary, a bit of salt, a little bit of garlic salt in there. And then I just toasted it on the pan. Just brings out that flavour. Unfortunately, you can't smell it. So then we want to just rub that into and onto the pork tenderloins. So, and there we have these fills. A bit more there. And then we have some rough kosher salt here. Again, not too much, but enough so that you get some good flavour in there. Salt in there, it makes it very Moorish. Okay, everything's ready. Now we want to roll it over so that it's touching like that. Now you can trim this back and roll the skin over the top, but in this case we don't need to do that today. So this is going to be rolled up like this. So just a quick trial fit, that's great. And then we get the string. And just do a basic slip knot. So the slip knot is pull it nice and tight. So now we want to score the skin and then salt that, and that will help the salt help dry out the skin, and you'll get that nice crunchy crack on the outside. You want to score the skin, but you don't want to go too deep. You just want to score it like that, and then we can rub salt into it. And there, like that. Be careful not to cut your strings as well. Okay, so now we can just add a little bit of sprinkling of the spices we used. Down to the cuts that we made. This just helps with flavours. Now you can see the out. So, and then again, a bit of salt. Over. Salt. And there we have it. Okay, so now we're all ready to take it out to the roaster and put it on and cook it. And then we'll be able to show you what it looks like once it's cooked, and unfortunately for you, you'll not be able to taste it. We will.